Boys, the exhaust is finally in, and it's pretty heavy. Actually, I think it's a couple pounds lighter than the stock exhaust. Today I'm having the MAPerformance street exhaust installed on my 2020 Civic Si. I'm so excited. I have not had a proper exhaust system on my car since, well, I had a 2006 Scion TC with a strut axle back exhaust, which is basically just an aftermarket muffler. And it sounded okay, but I've never had a proper catback exhaust on my car before. So I am ecstatic about this. Unfortunately, as you can see here, I live in an apartment complex. I do not have access to a garage. I do not have car jacks or ramps or whatever you need to put on exhaust. So I cannot do it myself. Therefore, I'm going to a shop right now to get it on. It's 8:20 a.m. on a Friday, and it's literally the perfect time to put an exhaust on. What's that?
There's always a balancing act.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys, here we go. Ooh. Dude, I am pumped, man. This is awesome. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. It's purring like a cat, dude. I'm way too excited. There's a freaking Pepsi can back there. I am way too excited about this, man. There we go. Oh my God. This is gonna be awesome. This sounds so good. Oh. I need to let the car warm up a little more before I get on it. It's pretty much warmed up now. Shit. Okay, so all the windows are up except for my passenger window. It's open about an inch, so. Dude, that sounds so good. That's perfect. That is perfect. Okay, now all the windows are up. Oh, that's beautiful. That is the perfect tone. Okay, I'm gonna put it into fourth and give it some acceleration here. Oh, that's nice. So I don't know, it might need to be broken in, but right around like 3,500 or 4,000 RPM, this sounds like there's a little bit of a drone. Could be wrong. Put it back into fifth. I'm at 3,000 RPM. Might be a little bit of a drone at 3,000 RPM. Oh my God, that's nice. I love it. I love it already. Oh, I think Vivian's gonna like that. So I smell it burning, for sure. I think we're gonna have to break this in, and then I'll do a review video. Like a full-on, in-depth review you know, how it drives every day, what it's like on the highway, because I drive 40 miles each way to work a day. So I drive 80 miles a day for work. And obviously a lot of that is on the highway, going between, I don't know, 70 to 80 miles an hour. Oh, yeah. Oh! That sounds nice. This exhaust paired with the PRL Cobra intake is phenomenal. I can actually hear my car now. Dude. So you like the blue tips better than the stainless steel?
Yeah, I think this looks way cooler. And it looks good with the
It's
color.
kind of dusty. Yeah, if it was blue tips on like a, I don't know, I think it looks better that it's on a gray car. Even though I don't really like the color of my car.
I love it.
All right, guys, so we'll do some sound clips. I'll kind of drive it up and down the road. I'll get some exterior shots and interior as well, both with my GoPro and my iPhone with the external microphone. So you guys can get two different perspectives as far as sound. So we're just gonna do some pretty casual driving up and down the street and back. The windows are down.
That intake sounds nice too. I like the way it sounds a lot.
And oddly enough, under full throttle acceleration, it actually quiets down. Either that or the engine just becomes louder than the exhaust and you can't really hear it. We did a third gear pull when we were going on the highway, and I'll do another one right here. You couldn't really hear the exhaust after a certain RPM, so I'll have you guys see where that is. So I'll go into fourth gear and give it some full throttle so you guys can hear where the exhaust kind of quiets down. Right about there. You hear that? It like quiets down. That's so weird, right? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it sounds good.
I like it. It's not too loud. In the lower RPMs, it sounds awesome. It sounds nasty, but right now we're talking about the highway. The highway it's fine. I mean, we can still listen to music. We can still talk. I'm going to have to drive around with it and break it in and, you know, do more like just day-to-day driving so I get a better feel for what I really think about it. You know, like right now I'm obviously more excited than I'm going to be a month from now because I just got it on. I think it looks great. Vivian likes the way it looks.
I like the way it looks and I like the way it sounds.
Yeah, definitely
good.
like when we're taking off from a stop in those low RPMs, like a 1 to 2,000, it sounds really good.
Yeah.
I think you'd hardly be able to tell it's a 1.5. Let's go find another side street. think I should have gotten the exhaust first or the intake?
I think you did it the right way.
You think so?
No.
You don't think I should have gotten exhaust first?
No.
I really like the exhaust.
Wasn't the exhaust more expensive anyway?
It was, yeah. So we're in second gear, just cruising along. Third gear. Haven't really heard any pops or crackles yet, but we might get some of those when it's broken in. All right, babe. Let's give it some throttle. The guy was staring us down. So, overall, guys, I mean, obviously I'm really excited about today because, you know, I just got it on. And I'm not trying to take anything away from it, but I'll give you guys an honest review, like a full-on, in-depth review after I've had it on the car and it's broken in. I don't really know how long that usually takes. How long does it usually take? Like 500, 600 miles? Anyway, I think it's awesome, and I definitely recommend this, especially for the price. It's a good price. So Sunday, I'll be racing a 2019 Subaru BRZ before I get K-Tuner. K-Tuner did come in today to make the race against the BRZ more, you know, interesting. I don't, like, if I had the tune, obviously I would wax the BRZ because the BRZ is stock. So I'm not gonna upload the tune on this car yet until after I've raced the BRZ, and then I'll do some more stuff with K-Tuner. I'll upload the tune sometime next week, so that's really all I got.